Friends, in this video we are going to create a twisted rod. Open a new part, select a plane which you want to sketch and make it for sketch on view. Initially we need to draw the rectangular profile to define the cross section of rod. I just draw the rectangle and specify the dimensions as per your requirement. Then click OK and go for the extrude and specify the amount of thickness to be extruded. Then click OK. Just hide all the planes for good visualization. Then go for editing drop down list. In the features, inside the editing drop down list we have a wrap command. So just select a wrap option. Select the wrap option. Then select our component which we want to make a twist. Then select a twist option at the left top corner. Then you can also change the angle of rotation based upon the requirement. You can also change the direction of angle of rotation by selecting and drag it. Now we rotate the component in the opposite direction. Here we can make a number of twists based upon the rotations. You have to rotate the handle which is appearance in a white color to make a twisting like structure of the component. Make sure your rotation direction will be similar to the appearance. If not twisted this rod like this, you have to change the angle or flip the angle. Now we have to apply the different color for good visualization. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe on my YouTube channel to get the regular updates. Don't forget to share and like. Thanks for watching. Friends,